Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Scorpio. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates, leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Scorpio, let's get into your reading. Let's look at your overall energy at this time. Your overall energy is the Queen of Wands. So the Queen of Wands is somebody who's very confident at this time, very passionate. You are really, feeling that fiery energy, very excited about what's coming next, and wanting to pursue your goals. In a very attractive energy, you're attracting a lot of people towards you as well because of the confidence that you're exuding. But you've got the Eight of Cups also. Okay, so you may have recently walked away from someone, or you are thinking of walking away from somebody. This is someone you are feeling emotionally detached from. Okay, now the Queen of Wands could also be somebody else who you walked away from, because the Eight of Cups is your energy. So you could have walked away from a fire sign recently, and let's look at this person's energy. I want to see what this person's overall energy is. They have the Page of Cups. So what is the Page of Cups about? The Knight of Wands. So again, like I said, you both are kind of thinking about, because I see both your energies in each other's energy. Okay, so um, when I asked about your energy, I see their energy as well. When I look at their side, I see your energy there as well. So you both are kind of, this is something recent, I feel, because you both are thinking about each other. Um, this person is coming up as somebody who is very in and out, very player like, um, very passionate, but unstable. And you are the Page of Cups here. Okay, so there was some kind of an offer, but things didn't work out, it looks like, because you still have feelings for this person. You still kind of have a crush, a soft spot, a soft corner for this person, but this person is kind of, they have their options open. So let's see, what is the current situation between the two of you? The current situation is the Three of Cups. It's possible that you both were just friends and you realize that this person is not somebody who can commit. Three of Cups, maybe you both started dating, but then you realize that this is not something you want, because the Five of Cups is here. So yeah, you both were dating, but things didn't pan out. There's an energy of a missed opportunity in the current situation. Could have also been a third party situation, but we'll clarify that. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. Why is this a missed opportunity? Two of Swords is here. So yeah, there was a choice here to make. Sorry, there's a choice here to make. Things were not moving forward. There seemed to be a decision, a choice between a practical and an emotional energy, but feeling conflicted. Two of Swords. Okay, so I think you were struggling to walk away, you were struggling to make a decision, and this could have been both of you, right? Why is the Three of Cups here? So there's some clarity that came out here, there's some truth that was revealed. Okay, there was some kind of an information that you received. Maybe you both had a conversation, maybe you both sat down and talk to each other about the future of this connection, and you realize that there's nothing coming out here. So let me see, why did you decide to walk away, or why are you thinking of walking away? Because the situation is making you stagnant, this is not moving forward. um, there's something that you will have to compromise to be with this person, and you probably didn't want to do that. Pisces energy, you were listening, you wanted to listen to your intuition, like you're following your inner voice here. Okay, so Hangman, you're feeling very stagnant and stuck in this relationship. And why is the Queen of Wands here? The Nine of Cups, this is somebody you were hoping and wishing for. This is somebody you saw a long-term future with. You wanted to take this further, but nothing was happening. So why is this person having the Knight of Wands? Five of Pentacles. This person has some issues of their own. Okay, I feel this person is, suffering from some kind of an insecurity. They are someone who may have uh, been rejected in their childhood, or like there's some childhood trauma here, something that they've not recovered from. Okay, and this person is having a lot of low self-esteem. So before somebody else kind of leaves them, they kind of, look for other options. They keep their options open so that they don't feel left out ever. So Page of Cups, why is the Page of Cups here? You see them as a soulmate, Scorpio. Gemini energy here. So let's see how is this situation going to progress. Okay, so what is next in this connection? I see a lot of silence here. I see a lot of, you know, like a like I don't think you both are going to communicate or talk to each other for some time. You both are taking some time off from each other. High Priestess is Pisces energy. Yeah, I think there's an energy of, both of you kind of enjoying your life, being single, being independent. There is heartbreak, Three of Swords. This is an energy of heartbreak and betrayal and feeling sad and disappointed. So let's see, Scorpio, what's next for you? How are you, or what are you feeling right now? Right now, you're feeling Two of Cups. So again, like I said, there's a lot of love here for this person. It's not that you don't love them, but this is not somebody who you see a future with. You're looking at something new now. You want love. This experience has not taken you away from the idea of love. You still are hoping that there will be a new beginning for you somewhere, either with the same person or maybe somewhere new. But yeah, there's a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety. Five of Swords is gossip. There's a lot of negativity. You're walking away from things or people that are negative. You may also feel that you may have, if you've started dating again, maybe you feel like this is not for me, kind of. You're meeting a lot of people who are not really aligned with what you are looking for, and that's kind of also making you feel a bit negative about finding your soul partner, finding your partner. So I see you again being, I see from your side like you're very open to love. You have a lot of love in you, okay, and you're open to the idea of love, but somewhere you feel disappointed when you meet people who are just, very petty and very dishonest, and that kind of puts you off. So this person, let's see, for them, they are going to keep stalking you. I feel somewhere this person is curious, want to know more about what's happening in your life. So they may occasionally message you, or maybe try to find out what's happening on your socials, on your social media. Seven of Cups, but they have their options open. They are confused. Okay, they are confused. Somewhere this person would be wondering why you have not reached out to them, or why you've not called them. So there's this energy of waiting. They're still kind of hoping that you would come around or come back to them. So let's see, what is your intention? What do you intend for the future? You're kind of going to stay away from this person. Okay, I don't think you're going to reach out to this person anytime soon. You're healing. You're focused on your healing. There's Aquarius and her Virgo energy. So you may miss this person, but you're not reaching out. What about this person? What is their future intention? Tower. They are going to have a very shocking moment in their life. This could be like a sudden realization. And Magician is here. And I feel there is some kind of a change happening in this person. They are suddenly realizing that they cannot be they cannot live without you. They cannot stay away from you. Okay, because I see this person reaching out with a message. They want to renew things here. They are in fact manifesting you. So there is a twist in the story. So what is this person what are their future actions going to be? So they are going to definitely message you. What is their true intention here? They want to release this baggage. This no contact situation is not something they are feeling comfortable with. Okay, suddenly now they want to reach out. So what is the action this person is going to take towards you? The thing is, even if they do reach out, they're still showing up as the Page of Wands. So they're not coming with a solid or, ooh. So the King of Wands is here. Just when I was about to say they're not coming in with a solid offer, and here the King shows up. So it looks like this person is having a complete change of perspective, a complete change of a change of heart, quite literally, because if this person was in that player energy, they were not very sure of this relationship going anywhere. Now suddenly they are waking up to you not being there in their life, and they are coming back. And not only are they coming back, but they are also coming here with a very solid offer. Like they are very serious and serious about you, and they are kind of they're showing up as somebody who is very responsible, very mature. So let's look at what is your action going to be when this person comes in. Strength, Leo energy. So you're kind of being very strong. You're not jumping right back in, or you're not really you're in your true element. Actually, Scorpio energy is here. So you are kind of being very, you're not revealing all your cards right at the start. You're kind of letting this person show you how much they care and how serious they are. You're playing it safe. Okay, when it comes to opening up, you're kind of letting this person show you. So what is the outcome going to be here? The outcome here is the Nine of Swords. A lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, but there is an energy of waiting. Okay, so right now it looks like maybe there is a lot of overthinking, a lot of sadness, a lot of grief. Somebody here is waiting for a new beginning, a new start. Okay, the world is here, so something has definitely come to an end, but there is an energy of waiting for something new, and waiting for this person to come back. And it looks like this person is coming back. There's this energy of success, and there's this energy of going towards calmer water. So yeah, I see this kind of coming back together, and in a good way, because this person is showing up as somebody, the person you left behind and this person are completely different people. Like this person is growing up suddenly, realizing that they have to come towards you, give you a solid offer, or else they might miss the boat. Wow. So meditation brings answers, Scorpio. If you're looking for answers, meditation will bring you that peace. You will feel grounded. Okay, a year from now. Okay, so something is happening a year from now, and be assertive. So yeah, Scorpio, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps, resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can reach out to me on my email ID or my website, and all the details on how to contact me are on the screen in the description box. You can also directly book on my website if you have PayPal. If not, that's okay. You can just chat with me on my website or message me on my email, and I will give you other options. And please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.